Hi guys, I turned 27 today, and over the years, I've realized some valuable lessons that have genuinely helped me change my business lifestyle. These aren't random motivational quotes, they are insights I've gained from my own experiences, and I'd like to share some of these lessons with you today. Deep breaths help in stressful times. When I'm feeling overwhelmed, taking deep breaths really has helped me. It calms me down and clears my mind. Just a few minutes can change my complete perspective over any topic. Accept reality quickly and move on. Asking why something happened is natural but not helpful for too long. Accepting the situation fast lets me find solutions much sooner. Hardworking people don't demean others. Period. Those who have mocked me, I've realized they've just been insecure in themselves. Truly accomplished people will never put down others in any way. Be careful of those who know you through others. People with second-hand information about your life are always risky. Either a friend of a friend or a relative of a closed one. These people always use your name for their gain and or out of jealousy. So please stay cautious around them. Hard work will always beat talent. I've learned that consistent effort wins over raw talent. Practicing more gives me an edge. Staying disciplined daily is the only way I can achieve success because I have done something much more times than somebody else and I know my craft better. Understand more, assess the situation before reacting. I always tell everyone please listen to understand and not to just respond. Be prepared for heartbreaks. Work heartbreaks are one of the most painful ones as well, whether it's a big project you were looking forward to or a design which didn't really work out. It can come in various forms. Expect them and move on, understanding that they are just a normal part of the journey to success is extremely important because you're going to have a lot of heartbreaks and you need to be prepared for that. Believe in destiny. I know a lot of people don't believe in destiny, but I need you to have faith in it as it's a way of trusting the Almighty. Work hard for what you want and remember that whatever is meant for you will always be yours. No matter how successful you become, it always gets harder. More people to answer to, higher expectations to meet. Remember, the more successful you become, the more success you achieve, the more challenges you'll face. And while everything may look fancy on the outside, the reality is that it only gets tougher. Mind your words. Always be careful with what you say, even if you say it as a joke. It is always going to get manifested and it is going to shape your future. Avoid repeating negative thoughts or dreams or any kinds of stories as well. Have a second interest. This is again something which I didn't do for a really long period of time in my career, but looking forward to something besides your work is very important. Don't make work your whole life. You need to find something else that keeps you and your body very happy. Work on improving yourself and your personality throughout. There is always going to be scope of improvement. So instead of idle activities, use your free time to watch or read things that teach you something new. Everything you do contributes to your growth, so make sure it adds value to your journey and your personality. These are a few insights I've learned over the years, and it has taken me a little more time to actually understand these things. So let me know what you guys think and what would you all like to watch in our next video. And until then, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.